Today I'm stepping out of my BMW and step in this Honda 2015 Accord. I'm gonna attempt to use this product, Ultimate Plastic Trim Restorer, to restore this dashboard over here. All we need is an applicator, the product, and a microfiber towel to wipe it down afterwards. If you guys want to see the product unboxed, check out my other YouTube channel, Unboxy, so you know exactly what's inside before you buy it yourself. Let's apply the product. This area here from the sun is looking like it's whiting out. 4 different products have been used to try to restore this. Let's see if this thing really works. Applying the product, just a gentle rub. Nothing fancy, no special movement, just a rub. You just apply the product to the whole dashboard, because this part is the most exposed to the sun. The UV lights damage it the most. Let's buff it out with the microfiber towel, which was not provided in the package. Check out the difference. Looks brand new, straight out of the factory. No glare, no white spots. This stuff really works. Let's test it out on a different area on the outside of the vehicle. And let's test it right over here where the trim is faded. Again, the sun damages this trim. Let's apply the product and see if it works. While we wait a few minutes for this product to cure, let's do the opposite side. Check out the difference. This trim looks much better already. Just 2-3 minutes with the product applied, wiped down with the microfiber towel, and it looks brand new. This stuff really works. And let's see the other side. Yep, it works for the other side as well. Cloudy sky, shines like it's sunny outside. Nice. Let's test it out even further. This plasticky trim on the outside, front windshield where the wipers are, this looks really messed up. It needs proper care, so let's apply the product right now. And the after shot. This is right after the treatment. It's been wiped with a microfiber towel, even the wipers, and I think it's great. I think this product really works. This is plastic, this is metal, this is rubber. I think it works on all surfaces, or at least for now. For now, it really restored it to its original glory. So it's safe to say it really works. Okay guys, stay positive.